Good evening, guys. So finally found a setup. So how to record a dual video. यहाँ पे मुझे ये याद आएगा 1:40 की लास्ट लोकल जो छूट गई, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है। और ये मेरी राजश्री सुपारी। आई एम नॉट ब्रांडिंग दिस, आई एम जस्ट taking only supari, not even a tobacco. Okay, this is not a good thing, right thing. Look at my teeth. Hello people, it looks like as I have taken this way back to home. I don't think so. I have taken a right route because this is through highway and long. So probably I turn back to inside Bardolis road. And if I will take national highway, then 100% I have to charge. Car at least 2 to 3 units because it's a long route. Now have to take a jeera. And guys, I have also investigated Air India's price hike just after the horrible massacre genocide of Pahalgam attack. It's so sad. It 100% absence of Ratan Tata sir. Just very painful because how means over there 100% thousands of people in panic who wants to get back home as soon as possible, and they did a price hike. We won't blame any particular person, but it's painful when this kind of genocide or massacre happen and people want to go back to home as early as possible. Obviously they prefer airlines. So in my last videos I have mentioned that I never been in flight, so 100% I am not that kind of fool that I am gonna head because of this, that. People earn on their own knowledge, mind, hard work, experience, and I respect that. Because if any humanity over there, Air India must not price hike, because I still remember, yes, 100%, even after, before 7 to 8 years, where before to 7 to 8 years or maybe 14-15 years. Horrible, horrifying tea tsunami over Kerala, and Bharti Airtel 100% decreased the price of data and mobile charges to support a citizen of India and for even foreigner who came to visit here, Atithi Devo Bhava, just like. So if any kind of inhuman thing, because Pahalgam massacre, genocide, I am saying this because it was very horrible and inhuman, and it did by evils. It's hard to say it done and by humans. It done by humans, 100%. It done by evil humans. It was more painful because human kill human on the name of a religion, and direct shoot out in front of wife and family. They killed the person who was borrowing whole family's burden on his shoulders. I'm sorry, अपने कंधों पे उनको मतलब टारगेट किया था, जिसके कंधों पे पूरी फैमिली का बोझ रहता है, और इंसानों ने इंसानों को किया. मैं नहीं चाहूँगा दिस दैट, मेरे पास वक्त भी नहीं है किसी को कुछ एक्सप्लेन करने का, बिकॉज right now I am 139,259 kilometers. I am in Gujarat and I am 100% Hindu Gujarati and Guruji's बंदा सिख जो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सीखते रहता है. तो श्री सत श्री अकाल, श्री वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, श्री वाहेगुरु जी फतेह. मुझे तो इतना पता है, जब से पैदा हुआ हूँ मेरे पिताजी और मेरे पिताजी ने मेरे को सिखाया, मतलब जो वो गुरु नानक जी जो ब्राह्मण के घर जिन्होंने बॉर्न लिया था कि किसी भी ज़रूरतमंद की मदद करना. मेरे पिताजी भी बोलते थे कि शिव जी के शंकर भगवान के मंदिर पे जाओ तो पहला थोड़ा देख लेना, आजू बाजू कोई ज़रूरतमंद हो तो उसकी मदद कर देना, जो वाकई में लगे ज़रूरतमंद हो, गरीब हो, अपाहिज हो, और उसके बाद वहाँ पे जाना तो तुम्हारी प्रार्थना जल्दी भगवान सुन लेंगे. सो स्वीट ना. आई वॉज एक्सप्लेनिंग दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन इन इंग्लिश, सो मैं हिंदी में कर रहा था, क्योंकि ऐसा है ना कि हिंदी और गुजराती में सिर्फ ऊपर की लाइन का ही फ़र्क है, ज़्यादा कुछ फ़र्क है नहीं. और मैं ये चीज़ मतलब अब क्या बोलूँ, क्या बोलूँ, मतलब भारत में ही मतलब मैं तो इतना बोलता हूँ कि किसी ज़रूरतमंद की मदद करो, अपाहिज हो, बूढ़ा हो, and 100% English because global viewers. And yes, with all the respect, YouTube have asked me for my bank account even before 6 months, but as I already mentioned that I never worked for only money, just like that picture of our late great entrepreneur mighty Ratan Tata sir line that never do a business to make a money, do a business to make a difference. It's not bad to earn the money, but if you are helping who are in actual need and earning, then it's a great thing. It's a right way to become a real entrepreneur with strong roots, just like a coconut tree, very strong roots inside the earth, so you can gonna touch 7th sky. I plan to take a video of this audio for 13 minutes. Tera, yours. With all the respect, I am a pass out from SVIT College Vasat, Vadodara, Baroda. So in 2011 around, I have given an Indian Air Force exam, and just a brilliant, handsome sir over there at that time who was helping me to pass the exam, and I was smiling and saying that why sir you are gonna be. Then that sir probably found potential by watching me, so you could understand what I am trying to say to you. I really means seeing that that man was a really handsome, courageous, in clean shave, and just great physics. Because I know that in air and in sea, it's not a common thing. I won't say natural thing. It's a natural thing, but it's a very hard natural. Just like a Rainbow movies, very inspiring. An extraordinary physics by an extraordinary actor. I can say 100% my life's icon, Sylvester Stallone, sir. With creative movies, creative music, inspiring movies, inspiring music, and always a message. Just like a Rambo 2008, Burma, Myanmar, two names, Burmese pirates helping Buddhist monks by fishing. Because yes, I could understand people's pain, especially as a Gujarati and as a Hindi and as a Hindu, as an Indian, that this, that, chit chat, wah. I don't think so. You must learn well. If you are a vegetarian, I respect that, but you don't have a right to disrespect me. You are not a better person just because you are vegetarian. Okay? You don't know how our soldiers are over there means. Siachen Glacier and all things means. It's a very hard. When weather's requirement, you need to do what need to do. You need to drink what need to drink. You need to eat what need to eat. That's the reason I am saying I am a Guruji's Hindu banda. Yes, Gujarati and Punjabi from heart, because our Dasmes Pitama Sri Guru Gobind Singh sings. Oh my God! It was auto rickshaws horrible accident. Our Dasmes Pitama Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji's fifth पांचवा प्यारा, जिसका नाम मैंने और मेरे दोस्त हरमित ने वो गूगल से के इंफॉर्मेशन थोड़ा लर्न की थी कि हुक्म सिंह जी, ही वॉज फ्रॉम गुजरात डाउन हियर. सो इट्स माई मदर my mother language is Gujarati. No one was there, so looks like their driver and other been well hospitalized, and 108 been well serving in here in Gujarat. So guys, take care. Thank you for watching. Love you.